that's what my hair looks like when I do a braid out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this video is going to be a simple braid out tutorial. I was reminded of how much I love this hairstyle when I saw a picture of Blue Ivy chilling at the NBA All-Star game beside her mama with her natural hair and her 5 braids in her hair. Like, I was like, that girl is so cute. And then I was like, hold on a minute, that's what my hair looks like when I do a braid out tutorial. So that's pretty much what inspired me to do this look again. I love this hairstyle because it gives my hair some moisture, it gives some curls and some volume, but I still be looking, you know, like it's popping. So if you guys want to see the tutorial, let's just jump right into it. So I'm starting off with freshly washed, conditioned and detangled hair. And the next thing, I'm going in with my Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream. That's a tongue twister. Anyways, I'm just rubbing that into my hands and I'm going to put this everywhere just to moisturize my hair. This is going to be my base. Putting up my roots, in my edges, in my hair shaft, at the bottom of my hair, everywhere. I'm just rubbing it in because I want to saturate it with the moisturizer. So next I'm going in with this 100% pure white shea butter and I'm using this to lock in that leave-in conditioner. We want to make sure that the hair is moisturized and make sure that that moisture locks in. So I'm using this to help seal that in place. And then what I do is I just rake my fingers through each strand of my hair just to make sure that each strand is fully coated with some product. So what makes this braid out easier or easy for me is that I just apply all these products all at once. I don't bother go ahead and section in the products and apply my leave-in conditioner, then my sealer. I just do it all at once, and then when I get into the individual section is when I apply the gel. But you know, it just keeps it easy for me. I don't have to, you know, worry about doing too much things in separate sections. Anyways, here I'm starting off by sectioning my hair. I just use the back of a comb and I section off, you know, the section that I want. And then I take my brush and I use it to just fully detangle out any knots that may have, you know, formed over the last, I don't know, 20 minutes. And then I just go ahead and apply my Eco Styler gel. This gel just helps me lock the curls in place. At the front of my hair and the front only, I apply some Eco Styler gel to my edges. And, you know, for the rest of the hair, you'll see that I apply the Eco Styler gel to the rest of my hair. Here, I'm just combing down where I want my hair to lock in place. I'm using my toothbrush. This step is kind of optional because, you know, I pretty much change the positioning of my hair in the end. But anyways, I wanted to lay my hair down in this particular way, so that's why I was laying it this way. But once I've laid it down, I just go ahead and braid my hair, and that's pretty much it. So just to go over that again, I just go ahead and section off my hair. I comb out any knots and tangles, and then I go ahead and add in my gel. And again, just for the front of my hair, I slick down the edges with a comb and with a toothbrush. And once that's done, I just go ahead and braid my hair out. So for the back sections of my hair, when I'm sectioning them out, I want to make sure that the line doesn't match up with the line in the front. It's kind of a brick effect, if that makes sense, because what happens if we do a line going back, when I take out the braid out, my hair is just going to flop over to one side, and we don't want that. We want a full look, so that's why we want to make sure that we have brick lines going on. So I have about 7 braids in my hair, and that's pretty much it. I'm calling it a night. I take my headscarf, I tie my hair down, I chuck up my deuces, and I jump in my bed and wait for my results tomorrow. So it's the next day, guys, and honestly I had to sit under my hooded dryer because my hair wasn't fully dry. But if I had more time, I will leave it to air dry, because you want to make sure that your hair is fully dry to get the results that are crisps. Crisps or crisp? Crisp. Oh gosh. Anyway, so here I'm just taking out the braids. I'm just unraveling the braids, and I don't apply any oil to my hair. I just simply unravel it, and that's pretty much what you've seen me do here. So here is what my hair looks like once I've taken out all the braids, and then I just go back into each section and separate the curls by just pulling them apart, making sure that I diffuse any lines that you may see, and fluffing up my hair to get some big results. Just moving it around. It's all about, you know, just experimenting depending on how big you want it. Here is the final result of when I finished fluffing the first time, and I wasn't feeling it. It was like too small for me, so I fluffed it out further, and here is my final result. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.